Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and I'm so excited today. We just finished. Let me give you a little background on this our newest project. This is 2021, just starting out the new year. And we're in Redondo Beach, North Redondo, and North Redondo has a lot of 2-1 lots. And that means you have two houses on what used to be one lot, now it's two houses on one lot. And so you don't have a lot of space. And if you don't have a lot of space, there's still something that you can do that has all the elements. Take our latest project, for example. This is a sustainability, sustainability that defines sustainability, it really does. So right now, you're just entering the backyard, and if you go right here to my right, what you'll see is there's a pollinator fountain that we just installed. This is, the stone itself actually came from Atlantic Water Gardens, and it's fabulous. We put an LED light in the middle, so tonight it's going to just look like a piece of Disneyland, and it's just really magic. And the pump we used was Owasa. Now, I like using things from the same company if I can, but Owasa and Atlantic Gardens are actually the same, one and the same. Owasa owns Atlantic Water Gardens, same company. So we got the pump, which is less than 50 watts per hour. Less than 50 watts. We've got the stone. We've got California native plants. If you want to save the planet, plant a native plant. So these are salvia, clevelandii. We've got California's own native succulents, the dahlias. There's a little place here that you can sit, and it's actually a heating element in here. So on a cold day, you can come out here and warm yourself up. The reason we have extension cord is because the cords haven't been, the outlets haven't been put in yet. We are waiting for lights so we can install lights. That's what the black cord is here. This is actually going to have strip lighting. Here we put this in so we can connect strip lighting and put it underneath. There's a pergola right here, and so that's going to be for a little privacy. There wasn't a lot of room in this backyard because it's a small, tiny backyard, so we actually did a vertical garden, a vegetable garden that actually recirculates the same water over and over again. Water is Southern California's most precious resource. Actually, it's the world's most precious resource is water. About 1% of all the water in the world is fresh water, meaning it's available to us and to animals. So we have to use it very wisely. Over here, we have this beautiful tree. It was the only thing that's here from the old landscape. The wood was cut around extra big to make room for future growth because trees never do stop growing. So they're not going to strangle the tree. We did use, in the planters, we used the Rainbird drip irrigation, which is the best that you can get. And then now for the most amazing thing, I'd like to tell you, there was some concrete back here. It got removed, and then it got dug down about 2 feet, hauled out, and gravel was put here. It took several days to remove this down, really deep down, and then gravel got down, it got compressed, and then this permeable paving was laid. If you want to take a close look here at the cracks, there's actually, it's not concrete in between, but it's actually small, tiny micro gravel. And so when it rains, the rain falls here, and formerly, it used to go out to the street, pick up motor oil and pollutants, and go out to the ocean. And that's what's killing our ocean. So if everybody did this, what a difference it would make for future generations. So I just wanted to give you an update on what you can do to inspire you to, if you do have a tiny area to work with, here's some ideas. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.